Alright, we're about to start a patient who had sustained a road traffic accident and some scarring in the upper lip. We're planning to do moustache transplantation. I want to show you how it looks. So a year and a half ago he had this accident and he had it sutured elsewhere. The lip has gone up a little bit. The main concern is lack of hair growing in about 1.5 centimeters area in length and about 0.5 centimeters in width. That's the area we're talking about. So we're going to do FUE. We're going to get multiple follicles, single follicles. We're going to make it densely packed, and within a few months we're going to make sure that he has his moustache looking as normal as it was before the accident. So all the area that's shiny, that's the area we're going to get the hair follicles back on. So he's lost the superficial layer of the skin, and in fact there's no other way to make this look normal than to get him hair in that region. It's almost impossible to do an excision of that kind of a large scar in that dimension and that location without causing a deformity in the shape of the lip. And so this is the best modus operandi for him, and therefore we've chosen that for him. It's going to be done under local anesthesia, and it's probably going to take us about an hour.